This cluster's got some of those famous invisible points. They're so clear and shiny that if you don't have the cluster turned just the right way, you can't see them. Now that's clear. When you can't see them, yeah, you know they're as clear as they can possibly be. It's a nightmare trying to get pictures of these because it's so hard to get all the points to show up in the picture. I'll take a picture and just a couple of the points will be showing up. Now this big point has got two little bitty time link windows on it. It's got one right here and one right here. You can see there's a little bit of clay and minerals trapped down inside of it. I tried real hard to get that out when I was cleaning it, but that stuff would not come out. Gorgeous cluster. Nice thin base.